Hello everybody, Chef Duff here, and it is National Raisin Day. Happy National Raisin Day. I am very excited. We are gonna make raisin haystack cookies. I think you're gonna dig them. Okay, so first things first, we are gonna mix all the chocolate and the peanut butter together. Pro tip, what I did was, before I measured the peanut butter, I sprayed the cup with a little bit of vegetable oil spray. So now when it's time to add the peanut butter to the recipe, falls right out. Let's mix. So now what I'm gonna do is add the chow mein noodles, the raisins, the peanuts, and a pinch of salt. This is a very fun, customizable recipe. You're the chef. Place a malt bowl, get some of my haystack mixture, about that much, and go right on top of the malt bowl, just like that. All right, now I'm gonna put these in the freezer so they set up.